Hi guys, today I am going to draw the environment. Okay, first we need to draw two hills like this and like this. Okay, next we need to draw sun in the middle like this and is shining like this. Okay, next you need to draw the trees in here, this like this, and then draw the leaves like this. Then I will draw a multi-flower like this, like this. If you want multi-flower, you can draw multi-flower. If you want how many flowers, you can draw like this, this. If you need to do like this, and this. Okay, but I don't like that. I'll just multi-flowers like this, like this. Then draw its. I will just draw 4 of its wings. I don't like 5. If you want 5, you can draw 5. Okay, 4 here too. Here, 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 here. Okay, finish drawing. Then if you want snake, you can draw snake like this, the hill snake. You can draw. First its head, first go like this, go like this, go like this, go like this, and like this. How's it? We can continue in this side too, like this, and like this, and let's stay. Okay, after that draw its eyes like this and its tongue. I am going to do the polka dots like this. Okay, I finished polka dots. If you need to draw anything, you can draw this designs. Okay, then I'll draw a pond in here like this and like this. Okay, if you like to do like this, it's coming from the hill, you can do like this, but I don't like it. That's why I'm drawing just simply this, like this. Then I will draw some fishes like this. And do like this. Eyes in here. And do like this. And do like this. And you can do like this. And do like this. Do like this. Do like this. Draw the eyes. Try and a strip. Okay, then everything is done. Let's color. First we can color the snake. Okay, first draw very lightly. If you are doing with color, do hardly. Okay, like this. Only use quality colors, no unquality colors. If you're doing unquality colors, you need to draw very hardly to draw a one picture on this picture board. Okay, you only use quality colors. Okay, and draw here. Okay, then this here. In Malayalam, we will say this Malapambu. In Tamil also, we say Malapambu. Okay, drawn it. Then let's draw the hills. Use dark green. Okay, like this, very softly. Like this, color like this, and like this. Then you can draw on the downside too, like this, like this, then like this. Okay, let's draw like this. Okay, we have colored the green hills, then the flowers and pond. Last is the tree. Okay, we need brown color to draw this tree. First, we need to draw the stem very carefully. Okay, like this, like this, like this, then like this. Okay, after that, let's draw the tree. Okay, now let's draw the tree. Draw like this, draw inside, like this, like this, like this, then like this, then like this, and like this. Okay guys, we have drawn the environment. Happy Advance Day. Okay, like and subscribe the video and say how is this drawing is beautiful in the comments. Okay, bye.